time for India has come. The exhibition industry in India is booming. The world is looking up to Indian exhibition industry. They want to enter the Indian market. The venues are very active. The organizers are keeping busy. Their shows are increasing in size every year. The service partners are happy, and so are the exhibition venues. Well, friends, Exhibition Showcase is covering the 13th edition of IEIA Open Seminar, which is happening from 19th to 20th of July at the JECC, which is the Jaipur Exhibition and Convention Center. This state-of-the-art exhibition and convention center is hosting this 13th edition of IEIA's flagship event, where the industry leaders have gathered to brainstorm, to talk about what are going to be the future trends of the exhibition industry. Come with me as I give you a quick glimpse of this event. So you can see here beautiful stalls starting from industry leaders, Expro events and exhibits. And we all know the kind of work and legacy Expro has. And this is the venue, Kinexin Convention, Yashobhoomi, the famous Yashobhoomi. And Yashobhoomi is very busy and active, and they are shaping the world of mice in India in these days. So let us give you a glimpse. This is again, as we see, an activity area which IEIA has planned, where delegates can sit and network with each other. We have beautiful stalls of Expo Inn. Expo Inn is a purpose-built hotel built in India Expo Mart, which is a state-of-the-art exhibition venue in Greater Noida. Here we have the stall of IEMS. They are a service provider providing fabrication services, and a lot of good work is happening in the Jaipur exhibition and event industry as well. And this very ecosystem tells us that the kind of activity which is shaping up in the Indian event and exhibition industry. This is the beautiful stall of pavilions and interiors. P&I is again a market leader when it comes to stall fabrication, interior designing, event designing, exhibition management. This is the booth of SIDCO. SIDCO Exhibition and Convention Center is another state-of-the-art venue located in the Navi Mumbai region. So it's a wonderful venue, and a lot of good events and exhibitions are being planned in this venue. Here we have the presence of Benson Trophies. We have Mr. Parag Anand, the director, who is not here at the moment, but they are providing very good solutions when it comes to acknowledging the industry people. Come, let me quickly move to some other key aspects. Here we have the presence of Dreamcast. We all know Dreamcast is a wonderful service provider in the industry. They provide registration and AI technology, and to boost the registration and attendee management services. We have Mr. Vipul here. He's a key man for Dreamcast, providing excellent services in the industry. Keep doing the great work which you are doing. I'll soon meet you. So here we have the presence of other service providers like Brain Ads, and they are also a service providing company providing solutions in the industry. We have Mr. Sumit Jaiswal, the founding director of the company. Hi Sumit ji.
Hi.
All the best. So again, moving quickly in the area, you can see the presence of industry players. PS Bedi is here. All the big people of the industry are over here. And quickly I'll show you the conference area where the sessions are being planned. We'll be discussing a lot of interesting topics, and interesting sessions are lined up in this place. So now I'll take you to the booth of Informa Markets in India. As we all know, they are the leading exhibition organizer in India. And see who I have with me, Miss Pallavi.
Hi Raghav.
Hi Pallavi, it's a pleasure to meet you.
No, it's always a pleasure meeting you.
It's wonderful to see you here, Pallavi. First of all, how's the work going on in the exhibition for fraternity?
I think it can't be more better. Exhibitions, I think we know the way our industry and the positivity which is there for India currently, and world is looking at us.
And Pallavi, you just had a session at the stage and it was phenomenal. Can you give us a few highlights of what your committee is all about, what you are trying to do, what you are trying to bring about for IEIA and the fraternity?
Firstly, thank you for acknowledging the session, Raghav. In fact, we as you very well know, that we have a focus group on women in leadership. in IEIA, and I'm fortunate enough to chair this division, this focus group. While we have been talking about women in leadership, I think another arm that we have added to is DEI, which is of inclusivity, and that's what we want to take forward.
So now we have a wonderful stall of Ari Rogers and see I have with me people sitting here, professionals from the industry, talking and interacting with each other. This is the beauty of this event, that it brings together people from our industry. It's like a family. Harpal ji, how's the event? Give us a brief introduction about yourself.
Myself is Harpal Singh. I am the Director of Operation in India Mobile Congress.
Yeah, Mobile Congress is a phenomenal event, and you have completely it is a pride of India, this event. So when is the next event lined up?
Yes, it is. It is India's pride. The next exhibition is in October, 15 to 18 October at Pragati Maidan only. And this event will talk about IEIA.
Yes.
It's a good interacting. Actually, it's networking for the industry itself. For the
Yes.
industry itself.
Yes.
And it's a very fruitful session and knowledgeable session here. So it's a good for the industry.
Thank you. Sir, please introduce yourself and what message you would like to give to the industry.
Myself is Sushil Upadhyay from Ari Rogers. I am working with Ari Rogers as a COO. So it's a good place where we can meet industry pioneer, and we can get good experience from them.
I have with me the president of IIA, Mr. Suraj Dhawan. Sir, what a phenomenal success this event has been in Jaipur. What are your comments about the highlights of this event?
See, as the Indian exhibition industry is achieving new heights every year, IA Open Seminar is the annual meeting place for the entire industry to get together and exchange ideas and plan for the future. I feel that a lot of good meetings, a lot of good friendships have formed, and everybody is clear that the future of the industry is very bright. We need to invest in skill sets, more resources, more human resources to join the industry. Skill up to scale up. There are two key takeaways. IA is shortly going to launch IIA approved shows. A lot of our organizers are suggesting that we should have an open benchmark system where people can measure the success of shows. We are going to work shortly on that. We feel that IIA's 40-hour professional exhibition program was super success. We would now plan further editions and advanced planning in that.
Thank you for
The exhibition showcase is an essential for every IIA event. You people are doing great work. I wish you good luck.
Thank you, sir.
It's a pleasure.
I have with me the very own our Dharampal ji. Thank you, sir, for giving us time, and what a phenomenal success this event has been. Sir, what is the buzz about the industry now?
See, IIA has been creating buzz. So the buzz this year is killing. The focus is more on skilling this year.
Skilling is now very important, and I see that you are taking lot of steps for this very thing, and you have launched a program also. So how successful was it?
Program was very successful. This idea was taken up last year. We had 32 students this year what we had, and that's a very good number. We were looking for a batch of between 30 and 35 tops, and we've achieved that. And a lot of students have given very positive feedbacks, and they have compared it not at par but beyond the international standards of the courses.
Ketki, what are your comments? I see you very active in various forums, and now today you are at the IIE Open Seminar, and you are a leading voice in the industry, actively advocating lot of concerns, one of which is also women empowerment.
Exactly.
So what are your comments on this important issue?
See, with this gender equality, what we were talking today, I think a lot of things are changing. With IIA support, of course, Raghav, your support, whatever you're promoting for women, it's great job. With this, but still the ratio of women is very less. I think we need to give them a lot of confidence. We need to really make them feel that this industry is the best place. Trade show is a market for business, for women, for all of us. Let's do it together. Thank you so much, Raghav.
I am standing with the Vice President of IIA, Mr. Ravinder Seth. Sir, what are your comments on this event in Jaipur, JECC?
Well, I'll tell you what, as I mentioned in my vote of thanks, that A month ago, we had a beautiful function in Sidco, the Exhibition Showcase Awards. Industry was alive. And now we've come to Jaipur and we know that it is even more alive. That's all I can say. That we are vibrant and it is so visible. And we have proven it over here. The world is seeing this.
Absolutely.
So that's the way I'm feeling right now. Most important, which you have not mentioned, is DEI. DEI. We have to bring that up now to the, our industry has to know how important that is. So the synergy will happen on its own. Obviously, the IIA and the executive committee will make sure that synergy happens very smoothly, so that we are not duplicating and we are not going on opposite directions. And you will see it. It will be visible very soon. Thank you, Raghav. Thank you, and keep doing the great job you and your team does.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you.
Now I am with Ms. Nidhi Sharma, the Executive Director of IIA. So what are your comments about this edition?
Thank you, Raghavji. I think it's been a wonderful experience for us to have the industry players present at this event in Jaipur. Especially, the idea was to now venture into the tier 2 cities. We've been doing IIA Open Seminar mostly in the metros, but now the industry is not limited just to the metros. It's much beyond. Like, we need to capture all those potential, that lies ahead of us. So that was the idea, and it's been a great, phenomenal success, only with the support of industry partners and industry players. And it's been 2 days of networking. People are enjoying meeting new people and also catching up with the old friends. And a lot of knowledge sharing has happened. And we look forward to more such, opportunities to be created for our members and the industry. We really appreciate Exhibition Showcase, doing a commendable job for the industry, promoting the interests of the industry, and also thankful to you for being a very, very significant media partner. Thank you.